Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, guess what everybody, we are outside. I'm going to show you all how to create an outdoor beach themed tablescape, and I'm going to also style a outdoor beach themed vignette. And you all, it has been a task trying to get all the pollen and everything off of my outdoor patio stuff, like even my front porch. Like I did a video out there recently, and if you go out there now, there's still like a light dusting of pollen. So I have wiped down, I have done as much as I could to get as much pollen up as I can. Pretty much I'm gonna have to wait until the pollen season is over, then come back to my patio and re-clean and re-wash everything. But I hope you all love the tablescape that I styled for you all on today and the beach theme vignette. Okay, as all of you already know, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So just hold on tight, and I hope you all enjoy this beautiful outdoor theme beach tablescape. All right, everyone, please excuse the outside noise. One of my neighbors have some construction going on right now, but this is my little outdoor patio area. I have an umbrella over us right now, so that's why it's so shaded. Thank God for the umbrella that hangs over the patio table itself. But I'm going to get started with styling the tablescape. And the first thing we're going to do, I have new buys and repeats from last year. I did a tablescape last year, a beach theme tablescape, and this beauty was one of the headliners of that tablescape, so I'm going to use that for this year also. So we're going to put that in the center, just like that. And right here, I have this DIY that I made probably about a week ago of just seashells and the sea glass. Oh, and this is the little serving bowl that I actually bought from Carly C's probably a few weeks ago. So we're going to set that here as well. And we're going to take this, come over here, y'all, and set it here. My arm is a little sore, just like that. Okay. Then we have another DIY from the past right here. I did this about 2 years ago. So we're going to also slide that a little bit over. And I also add this beauty to that too. All right. And then we're going to also go in with these lights. This was a buy from Dollar Tree last year. They are so handy and so cute to have. They have the hook on it, just like that. I'm going to turn it on so you can see. I think you can see the light. There we go. I'm just going to place the light in there. You probably can't see it, but it's really cute. That's my topper for this, to make it look like a DIY lantern. But at night, it's so cute. Now we're just going to keep it real simple because we're outside. We're going to add some hydrangeas right here. as a cute little accent to the table itself. And that's how that centerpiece is going to go. And then we'll be right back with the styling of our plate setting. All right, so I'm getting ready to show you some of the plates that I'm going to be using in this tablescape. And of course, we have a repeat show again. My beautiful shell plates. I don't know for sure if I'm going to use this in the actual tablescape itself, or the vignette. And these beauties right here, you all will not believe where I got these from. These came from Dollar Tree, and they were not in the $5 section. They were in the regular price section, $125. When I saw these, I did not hesitate buying these, so I got 4. And of course, I like to do some layering. These are a old buy from Dollar General last year. I paid, I think, 50 cents for them, 50 cents or a quarter. I never used these before. Then this is a repeat from last year. These plates right here, Dollar Tree. These were $1. Okay, so I'm going to style and set up my table. You got this plate here. This one is going to go down. And we're going to also use this plate right here on top. It's going to be offset. The plate is not going to be directly centered in the middle. It's going to be offset so that you can see the layering effect. It's going to sit like that. Make sure everybody can see that. See? It's going to sit like that. Then we're going to take this beautiful iridescent shell plate here, and we're going to lay it right in the center. Then we're going to also take our silverware. Just using my basic silverware. You know what? I think I'm not going to use silverware this time. I'm not going to use silverware. I'm just going to do your basic table setup with no silverware. And that's how all my plate settings are going to look on for this outside tablescape. Now all of my table settings are done. Each table setting is already done and complete, as you can see. And I'll take you all around to see everything towards the end. This is my glass of choice, Dollar Tree. I'm gonna sit that there. All right, I have all my glasses down at each setting, and I'm going to show you all what it looks like. All right, this is how the plate setting is looking. My cup here, my centerpiece itself. This is how this setting is looking. Take you over here for that one and let you see that one also. So now we're going to get into the vignette styling right now. It looks really good. All right. I have this tray right here. from Dollar General. It's $4. I got it discounted. I think I paid $1 for it. I'm gonna use this as my vignette styling. This right here is a DIY of mine. So beautiful. Pearls in a shell. I made the shell myself. I'm gonna sit that there. You're gonna also put my picture here. Look what I found at Dollar Tree, everybody. It's cute. Little flamingo. And I add some palm leaves inside the flamingo itself. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to put the flamingo, just sit the flamingo up there. It's like an extra decoration. Then I'm going to take my shell plates. See. Because this is like a little drink station. I think I'm going to sit it right there. Let me turn it around this way, everybody. So I can kind of get a overall look of how I want it to be. Let's see. I think that's going to be enough for me right here. Yes, that's enough for me right there. You can still see the shell plates itself. I have my picture. I have my little DIY decor piece. And it looks really, really good. Let me take one more look at it. I'm always switching stuff around. It's something that I do on a regular, y'all. I switch, I move, I switch. I think I'm just gonna keep it on top like I initially did, like that. Maybe to complement this way also. All right, I'm gonna take you all off so y'all can see what it looks like.